Ladies and gentlemen, we all face challenges and obstacles in our lives. But it is important to remember that we have the power within us to overcome them. It is easy to give up and let these difficulties defeat us. But true strength and success come from pushing through and persisting in the face of adversity. Believe in yourself and your abilities. You have the potential to achieve greatness. Set your goals, make a plan, and work towards them with determination and passion. Remember, progress is not always linear. There will be setbacks and failures, but they are only temporary. Learn from them and use them to grow and improve. Never give up on your dreams. You are capable of achieving them. Have faith in yourself and the universe will have faith in you. Don't be afraid to take risks and step out of your comfort zone. Sometimes, the biggest opportunities and growth come from stepping out of the familiar and into the unknown. Trust the process and have patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your success be. Be kind and compassionate to yourself. Failure is not a reflection of your worth as a person. It's just a part of the learning process. Also, be sure to surround yourself with supportive and uplifting people. A positive environment and support system can make a huge difference in your journey. Never compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own unique path to success. Be persistent. Stay focused and never give up on your goals no matter how hard it may seem. With persistence and hard work, you will achieve them. In the end, remember that true success is not measured by material possessions or external validation, but by the fulfillment and joy you feel in your own life. So, believe in yourself and go chase your dreams. Take action towards your goals every day, no matter how small the step may be. Consistent effort and progress will lead to success. Remember that failure is not the opposite of success. It is a part of the journey. Don't let it discourage you. Use it as a learning opportunity. Be true to yourself and your values. When we are true to ourselves, we are more likely to achieve our goals and be fulfilled in the process. Be open to change and adaptability. Life is constantly changing, and sometimes our goals and plans have to change as well. Don't let fear hold you back. Fear of failure, fear of the unknown, fear of what others may think. These fears can prevent us from achieving our goals. But if we face them head on and take action, we will find that they were just illusions. Believe in your own potential and don't underestimate yourself. You have the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. Set realistic and challenging goals for yourself. It is important to aim high and push ourselves, but also to be aware of our capabilities and limitations. Be grateful for the journey. Every step of the way, every failure, every success, every person you meet, every experience, it all shapes us and makes us who we are. Finally, remember that success is not a destination, it's a journey. Keep moving forward, keep learning and growing, and enjoy the ride. Ladies and gentlemen, life is a precious gift that we are blessed with, and it is up to us to make the most of it. It is not always easy, and there will be times when we face challenges and obstacles that seem insurmountable. But in those moments, it is important to remember that we are strong and capable of overcoming anything that comes our way. We all have a purpose in this world, and it is up to us to find it and fulfill it. Sometimes, the path to our purpose may not be clear, but if we have the courage to take the first step and the determination to keep going, we will find our way. When we are faced with difficult times, it is easy to give in to despair and lose sight of our dreams. But it is in those moments that we must remember that we are not alone. We have friends and family who love us and are there to support us. We also have the strength and resilience that is within us. It is also important to remember that failure is not the end. It is a part of life, and it is through our failures that we learn and grow. Every failure is an opportunity to learn and become better. In the end, life is a journey, and it is up to us to make the most of it. We have the power to shape our own destiny and create a life that is full of love, happiness, and purpose. Let us all be motivated to take control of our lives and create the future that we want. And let us never forget the power of gratitude. When we are grateful for what we have, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and opportunities. We also realize that our struggles and difficulties are not unique to us, and that others have gone through similar struggles and come out stronger for it. It is also important to remember that we are not defined by our past. We are not defined by our mistakes or our failures. We are defined by the choices we make and the actions we take today. Every day is a new opportunity to start fresh and create a better future for ourselves. We all have the power to change our lives for the better. It starts with a decision to take action, to make a plan and follow through with it. It starts with setting goals and working towards them. It starts with taking care of ourselves, both physically and mentally. It starts with being kind and compassionate to ourselves and others. In the end, it all comes down to attitude. Having a positive attitude and a can-do spirit can make all the difference in the world. When we believe in ourselves and our abilities, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. So, let us all be motivated to take control of our lives and create the future we want. Let us be kind and compassionate to ourselves and others. Let us be grateful for what we have and for the opportunities that come our way. Let us have a positive attitude and a can-do spirit. And let us never give up on our dreams, because they are worth fighting for. Thank you for watching. Let's subscribe our channel for more.